Schedule for 12 Kapan is something that Suganov has to be very careful of. Suganov suffered his first loss of his career just once. That was against Sibanati. And he was going for the top. 1 minute remaining here, the opening round scheduled for 12. You can see no matter where you go, Filipinos are very astute about alam nila kung maganda ang pinakita, alam din nila kung medyo nadedehado, medyo there's a buzz going around after that power shot coming from Ishizawa. Ishizawa's turn right now by our unofficial 27-year-old from Japan has. Ishizawa. And so there's a punishment. Left hook to the head. More shots to the head. As we now move into round number 2. Muli po nation with Tagbilaran City Ball. Ito po si Noel Zarate para sa PTV4. Atin po sa inyo ng world-class boxing between the Filipino phenom Reggie Suganov versus Kai Ishizawa of Japan. That connection's there, medyo shaken po. Ito si Ishizawa. Left open again on the face. The right hand has been a very dead sa ulo nitong si Suganov. There may have been a headbutt somewhere. That would... Ishizawa still moving forward, trying to control the ring generalship here. Siyempre sa magbubukas na round number 2, buhos ka agad ang binigay dito light flyweight champion. Kapaan na naman silang dalawa rito. Now trying to go for the body, Ishizawa, which could be a good idea against the taller fight for a mark of round number 2 scheduled for 12. Now body shots being Ishizawa of Japan. The exchange of jabs so far for Ishizawa. It appears Suganov has now tasted how powerful to go for as many body blows as he can, trying to soften up his opponent. He's got a 4-inch reach advantage and about a 4-inch reach advantage as well. Shots to the round number 2. So far the strategy of the Japanese fighters just plow forward and try to go. Still more body shots being thrown by Ishizawa. Defending champion, of course, the Filipino phenom, as they call him, Reggie Suganov, so far in the scorecard has taken, you look at the records, Ishizawa, of course, out of his 11 wins, 10 wins coming by way of knockout way back in 2019. That was his first loss against Tanig. Also lost against Masataka Tanig. Last outing just last year in October. Headshots now coming from Ishizawa. So far, no consistent headway being gained by Kai Ishizawa. Ringside, around the ring, of course. Final 23 seconds. It really hasn't turned much. Because of all of the inside shots coming from Ishizawa. Ang depensa ni Suganov, unti-unti na pong head. Kasi unti-unti na nga napapasara na niya yung mata ng kanyang kalaban. But in this case, boy, Ishizawa looks like the first 5 rounds were just a testing. Has been knocked out once in his career. And he did suffer that knockout loss against Masataka Taniguchi. But quite pinakain TKO. Nauulaan si Suganov. Again, the reach advantage has been totally negated. actually have gone the way of Ishizawa. Ishizawa na body hunting. Hindi na muna niya pakikialaman yung sugat sa ulo nitong si Suganov, which has opened up again. Not quite sure if it came from an accidental headbutt. Yeah, some power shots to the body as well from Suganov. He's trying to destroy the timing of Ishizawa. And it looks like here in the 8th round, Suganov has been successful so far. Nawala sa timing ng bahagya itong si Ishizawa. Again, Suganov needs to use his length. He's got about a 3 or 4 inch reach advantage. He has a 4 inch height advantage over his opponent. And again, itong si Ishizawa is just trying to make inroads in the junior flyweight division after campaigning most of his career as a minimum weight. Ishizawa got staggered there by the left hook coming from Suganov, and another one! Ishizawa! Ready to fight now siya. The blood is coming out of Suganov's head, and Ishizawa smells the blood, wants to get it back. Oh, great right coming from Ishizawa. Napatras na si Suganov. Ishizawa missing, less than a minute remaining here in this pivotal 8th round. One knockdown scored already, so this is a 10-8 round for Suganov. The question is, can Ishizawa get the knockdown back? That right hand earlier sent Suganov backwards. Nakabawi na ba? 3-punch combination, all power shots. Another connection to the head. And throwing in the towel. The sound of Ishizawa. And still, the WBO Global Junior Flyweight Champion, Reggie the